Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome for day, what is this, 5 of my favorite natural hair products of 2020. Today I'm going to be talking about cream stylers and moisturizers. If you have missed the leave-ins, the rinse outs, the deep conditioners, and the shampoos, I will leave those in the cards or in the description box below for your viewing pleasure. After you finish watching this, make sure you're caught up on those. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it because the weather is nasty and I am really losing my light. So first things first, let's talk about Nature's Little Secret because they really came through with the products this year. I have the Avocado Moisture Cream, which I recently featured in my top moisturizing leave-ins and moisturizers for this season. Did a whole video. This is bomb. I think at one point this was seasonal. I think she's going to put it back into her permanent lineup. I need to confirm that with Charnay if she's going to do that, but this is bomb. This is amazing. It has the slip of the banana leave-in, but it has the viscosity of almost the Irish Moss styling cream. And this is a true moisturizer. It doesn't style, it doesn't hold, it gives you moisture. I like to use this underneath the flaxseed curly custard, but I also use this like to moisturize throughout the week. This was initially made to be kind of like a refresher. So kind of like the Camille Rose Fresh Curls, if y'all remember that product. That I need to get some more of that because that was a dope product. But we're talking about Nature's Little Secret right now. It was kind of meant to be like that. To be like a creamy refresher for midweek. But y'all know how we do. We slap it in the hair and put a gel on and go. This is bomb. I love this product. I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on it. And I do think she's putting it back into the permanent lineup. But like I said, I have to confirm because this was made seasonal this year. But it's amazing. It has so much moisture. It has so much slip. It has avocado oil and avocado butter. My hair loves avocado. So this is literally everything I could ever want. It has beautiful slip, beautiful moisture, and it's so easy to pair with other products. All right, so next up, I definitely got into playing with one and dones this year because where are we going? And Nature's Little Secret reformulated their strawberry styling cream infused with strawberries. This was originally part of their kids line, and she did reformulate it. And this, to me, has a better hold. The second ingredient in this is flaxseed gel, and this is bomb. It's so good. So I like to use this for one and dones. I also use this sometimes to refresh pieces of my hair. Like if I have a wash and go and I want to just refresh certain pieces, but I need something with a little hold, I'll add this as well. This is a beautiful product. It's super creamy. I would say not as emollient and softening as the Irish Moss styling cream. You know, both can be used for one and dones. But this is just dope. It's so good. Sometimes I'll use this with the banana leave-in underneath, and then I'll add this on top, or I just use it by itself. It's a beautifully formulated product. It made several points for me this year. I did a video with this. I did a one and done, and then I went back in and did like a really cute updo with this product. It's bomb. And it smells like strawberries. Like you can't beat that. It smells like fresh strawberries. So the strawberry styling smoothie from Nature's Little Secret is 100% bomb.com. Absolutely love it. A beautiful reformulation. That's what I love about Charnay. If she reformulates something, it's going to be better than it was before. It's never questionable when she reformulates a product, and I love that. I didn't realize I had tried this this year, but I did. And I was like, I have to put this in here because this is bomb too. This is the Tgin Miracle Repair Curl Food with black honey and coconut oil. And this is such a bomb moisturizer. I've used this for a few different things. I've used this as a moisturizer underneath the Tgin Curl Balm. I also like to go in with this to do my braid out on dirty hair. On days when my hair is just kind of done for, but I don't have the time to redo a wash and go, I'll add tiny dollops of this, brush it through, braid it up, and I have a beautiful shiny braid out when I'm done. This also does really well for my Bantu knot outs as well. This has awesome ingredients: shea butter, coconut, black honey, but this does have a cone in it. A lot of people don't like that for that reason, but I don't really care. But as many people complain about the cones, I feel like this is probably the most popular product from the Miracle Repair line. This curl food is bomb. Definitely, I say if the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer from the original line just doesn't jive for you, try this out. It smells so beautiful and fresh. The texture is beautiful. It's smooth, it's creamy, and it leaves your hair so shiny and soft and touchable. So, bomb moisturizer and styler. Of course, I had to add this in here. Melba's Kitchen Collection Edition 2. Melba's Hair Stuffing Decadent Daily Moisturizer is probably one of the best moisturizers that I have discovered. This came from the Melba's Kitchen collection, and the only reason I don't have backups of this is because it takes forever to use this up. You don't need a lot of it. I kind of use this as a leave-in conditioner, honestly. I'll just take tiny dollops of this, run it through the entire section, and that's it. Like, literally, that's it. And it gives so much moisture and shine. It adds definition, but it's not super heavy, greasy, or weighty. I like to use this underneath the coconut and apple curl glaze, and it literally gives me the whole deep wave fresh out the pack thing. I recently did a video, my fall inspired wash day, featuring this product, and it's so good. So whenever she comes back out with these, just in their singles, you gotta try this because it's such a beautiful product. Melba's Hair Stuffing, definitely one of my top moisturizers ever. I don't use a lot of thick, heavy moisturizers, but this one is one I come running back to time and time again. This is another one and done, so this is really a styling cream. This is the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curling Cream with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and ceramides. I did a one and done with this. I think I did a self-care Sunday where I reviewed the Companion Deep Conditioner, and then I used this as a one and done. The deep conditioner won't nothing to holla at, but this was. It made my hair so shiny. The curls were in formation. The definition was tight but still soft. I was able to get like a few days out of this, and I have used this since for a one and done. And it's so good. It smells amazing. I love the texture. I have never really been one to use As I Am creams. I have some of their smoothies and I haven't really used them. They've just made my hair feel way too moisturized. But this is bomb as a one and done. I need to try this on my Bantu knots because the definition that I get just on regular wet hair without any type of leave-in conditioner is bomb. I can only imagine what this will do for my Bantu knots. So this is perfect as a one and done product. As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curling Cream. This is a really good one and done. Going into 2021, I really want to find some more really good one and done products. So let me know, what are your favorite one and done products? We'll start to do some videos on those. Of course, Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream for long lasting definition with shea butter and natural oils. I use this several different ways. I use this on top of its companion leave-in as an extra boost of moisture and hold. I use this on my braid outs on dirty hair. I've used this for my Bantu knots. I have used this for twist outs, and all those things that I have used it for, and you still see where I am, even though this was filled up to the very tip top of the jar. Like it was right there. So you can see, like, it doesn't require a lot because this cream, while it does have hold, it thins out in the hands very well and it just glides. You don't need a lot of this product at all to get an effective style. I really love the ingredients in here. There's some shea butter, triglycerides, mango butter, cocoa butter, BTMS, which y'all know I love. So there are conditioning ingredients in here. There are butters. There are extracts in here. This is a perfect butter blend. There's a reason why people are so obsessed with this, because it's amazing. It's bomb. So the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream really came in and was like, yeah, you need to start using your creams again. And she was right. She was very right. And this kind of set off me really getting into more and more creams this year, because this alone really just kind of put me in the mindset of I need to use my creams more. I kind of want to use this for a wash and go. Have you guys used it for a wash and go? I feel like it might be too light, but I never know. Something surprised me. So yeah, Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. Definitely a great product. So happy that I picked this up at the top of this year. Then I have two from Curl Origin. Where she lacked in the leave-in conditioner, she made up for in the creams. I did a battle with this cream and the Barbary Fig from She Sent It, and this one won out tenfold, and I've been using this a lot in that whole like lightweight leave-in cream and then gel combo that I like to do. And this is the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus Moisturizing Curl Smoothie. This is one of the products from the line that I have consistently gone back to since I reviewed it. That's what she looks like. Smells amazing, and it really just does a beautiful number on the hair. It's very moisturizing, but it still has a lightness to it. It brings really beautiful definition to the hair, which you guys saw in that video. It really kind of defined the curls a little bit more than the Barbary Fig had. And it really just made my curls feel super duper soft, super duper moisturized. And it paired so well with my main choice gels. This pairs well with the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. It pairs well with my Bold Buttery Gel. It just does really, really well. This even works really, really well with the Pow Gel as well. So I am a big fan of this. I need to use it more because every time I use it, it does really well for me. I also like to use this on my braid outs on dirty hair when I don't have time to really give myself a good wash, because that really brings out some softness and extra fluffiness. And so I'm able to get some volume out of that look, even though I'm working on like dirty way down hair. And then last but not least, sorry if I'm talking fast. I'm trying not to be sitting here in the dark, even though it's kind of happening. This is the Curl Origin Pink Superfoods Weightless Moisture Double Cream. This hydrates and softens for fine, medium curly hair. And I have done a video on this. It will be coming soon. But this, I think, might be my favorite cream from Curl Origin. Honey and Hibiscus is bomb, but this I can use on its own, no leave-in. I can just add this and it gives me so much shine, so much moisture, and it pairs beautifully with the Honey and Hibiscus Gelée. This has blackcurrant, goji, fig, blueberry, grapeseed, jojoba. It's very lightweight, and it literally feels like a whipped leave-in conditioner. It goes into the hair like butter. It has so much slip. It provides so much softness to the strands, and it gives a lot of shine and body to the hair as well. I'm a huge fan of this. You guys will see my full review soon, but I had to put this in here because this was bomb. I almost didn't put this in here because of this, but I really have been using this a lot this year. And so I felt like I had to put this in here. She came in at the last minute and was like, girl, you need to talk about me. So I had to add the Pink Superfoods Weightless Moisture Double Creme in here because this is bomb as well. Definitely my new favorite cream from Curl Origin. All right, guys, so that is it for my favorite creams and moisturizers of 2020. I'm going to have to stop here. And the video you see tomorrow will be of a whole different look because I'm having way too many technical issues and I just can't do it anymore. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in a different look, in a different setup for the last installment of this, and that will be my favorite gels of 2020. I'm super excited because, I mean, let's be honest, that's what we all came for, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.